How to create a majority account here on your PC or any device you're using it right now. For doing this, what you have to do is simply open your browser and search for signing up in your majority account. And whenever you will click on this, you will have a lot of option in front of you to verify. Simply click on the verify option. And in this menu, you will see there is an option on the right top of your screen called sign up. You simply have to click on the sign up option, and then it will demand your phone number, that in which country whenever you will live. Like you live in US, you should have to choose the country from the first menu, and then you will have to enter the code, your country code. Simply add it on your account because it's not available in my country, so I'm just showing you this step how you can do it. Choose your country and your phone number and then continue. Whenever you will verify it, you can also try it for 30 days without paying any charges, then only a $6 a month. So this is how you can simply create your account from this menu. You should have to fill a lot of details and then you can complete it. Thank you so much for watching this video.